What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I had so many comments and so many reviews left on that last little food video that I made, the treats, that you guys wanted some chocolate treats, healthier treats. So today I'm going to show you one recipe that is honestly a staple in our house. My husband absolutely loves it. I have to make it for him all the time. They are peanut butter banana little peanut butter chocolate bananas, frozen bananas, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to make them today. They're super simple. Like I said, if you are craving chocolate or you love Reese's peanut butter cups, these are a great pre or post workout snack that will just leave you feeling full of energy and satisfy that sweet tooth. If you haven't already, go and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. As well as don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys, as this helps me with my channel. It helps me rank higher in YouTube, and it helps me to be able to create more videos for you. Again, if you want to see more recipes or you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below, and let's get started. You guys, so the ingredients you're gonna need for this is a banana. Now, usually when I make this, I do 2 bananas, okay? I'm just gonna show you with 1, but again, it depends who all is eating this in your house. They do go by really fast once people get into them, once your family gets into them. My kids love them too. Banana, all right. You're gonna need stevia, Krista stevia chocolate chips. These are the ones I use. I usually get them in Save-On in the organic section. I use this Fatso peanut butter. This one is crunchy salted caramel, so good. So what's in it? There's peanuts. They're non-GMO, they're organic peanuts. They're not covered in mold. They're the healthy peanuts. Tapioca fiber, organic coconut oil, chia seeds, ground flax, avocado oil. So that's why it's called Fatso, because it's got all your good fats in it. So I use this. Then you're gonna need some coconut oil. I'm just gonna use MCT oil because that's what I have. Again, it's coconut oil. So I'm just gonna use this, and then a protein powder. I'm using chocolate peanut butter cup whey. Again, you don't even have to use protein powder, but it just makes it a lot sweeter and adds more protein to the banana pops. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, you guys, let's begin to make these frozen chocolate banana pops. You're gonna start with 1 banana. You're gonna peel it open, and you're going to cut it lengthwise down the center. Now, this is how I do it. You could cut it into little dime-sized pieces and make little tiny sandwiches. I used to do that. This is just way easier and quicker to slice it down the middle and make a sandwich with it. So I cut it right down the middle with a knife. And then after I'm done cutting it down the middle with a knife, I'm going to put peanut butter in the center on the tops of it, and then close it like I would like a sandwich. All right, you guys, once you have filled the banana with peanut butter and sandwich it, you're gonna cut it into little dime bite-sized pieces. Place some parchment paper in a container, and you're just gonna lay them down flat in there. And what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of extra peanut butter on the very tops when I'm done, just because I do love peanut butter. The peanut butter I'm using in the video is Fatso. It's one of our favorites. They have many different flavors, but this one is salted caramel, and it's got all your good fats in it. Go and check them out. We buy it off Amazon. Put in the fridge for about 30 minutes, the freezer, sorry. Then you're gonna melt some Krista chocolate chips. They're sweetened with stevia, 1/2 cup in the microwave, 30 seconds. Once you take them out, you're going to stir really well, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or MCT oil and 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm using peanut butter chocolate protein powder. Then you are going to dip those bananas in there on a new piece of parchment paper in your container. You're going to set them back in there. You will do this for all of the banana pieces. You'll place in the freezer for another 30 minutes. And then once they're done, you can eat them. They will go back in the freezer to keep them fresh. All right, you guys, that was the recipe. Go give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you what they look like frozen. And now these aren't super frozen because I just put them in. They do freeze pretty fast, but that's what it looks like. Little chocolate. Normally the banana is more frozen, but the banana, when it's really frozen, it's like ice cream. It's so good. So those are the chocolate peanut butter banana bites. Give them a try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this with somebody you know that would like this recipe. Leave your comments or requests or questions in the comments below. Other than that, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you soon. Bye.